Now let's look at the last feature, which is the Plan Classes feature. The system provides functionality for you to create and store courses you would like to plan for future enrollment. Let's say, in this example, the student has run their degree audit and now wants to see what their degree audit will look like if they include the classes they plan on adding for the next semester. Once the audit has been run for the correct major, accounting in our example, and as you're browsing the requirements, you realize you still need to take COM 2200. From the HTML formatted audit, click on the course directly next to the phrase on the audit that says Select From within the requirement you wish to satisfy. A description of COM 2200 is now shown in a new window on the screen. Click the Add button in the top left-hand corner to add this as a planned course. You can edit the entry by selecting a different term, entering credit hours, or even selecting a grade for the course. For our example, we will select Autumn 2018 for the term, COM 2200 is the course, it's a 3-hour credit class, and you estimate a grade of A upon completion. Click the Add to List button to add this as a planned course to your degree audit. You can then rerun the audit report and under the Advanced Settings option, check Include Planned Courses box before running the new audit. A disclaimer will appear on the degree audit report with planned courses at the top of the audit, explaining that this audit contains planned courses that you are not currently registered for. If you scroll down to COM 2200 required course that we added, you will now see a purple calendar icon next to it indicating that it is now a planned course. Planned courses can be incorporated into the audit to see what effect they would have on the program requirements and GPA. This can be very helpful in projecting GPAs for graduation as well. It is critical that you understand planned courses are not automatically registered. A few other cool features, including viewing your course history, which will show you all the courses you have previously completed and grades received. This can be completed by clicking on the Course History button at the top of a degree audit you have run. Another feature is Applied Exceptions, which might not apply to all students, but this is any exception or special circumstance that gives a student credit for fulfilling a requirement that will be applied as credit to the degree audit. The explanation will be listed in the Exceptions section as to what the exception is allowing. If you are using financial aid, the courses you sign up for must apply towards your plan of study. A degree audit is an excellent tool to use to make sure the courses you have registered for are being applied correctly. If you open up a degree audit, at the very bottom there's a section entitled Non-Applied Electives. Any courses listed here do not apply towards your plan of study and will not be considered for financial aid purposes. Lastly, as a reminder, if you have any questions about the degree audit, you can check with the help guide that is listed on Cougar Web, or you can contact your academic advisor.